Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to swap cryptocurrencies in your Trust wallet. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently right now I'm on my Trust wallet main page and there's all the cryptocurrencies that I own from Solana to USDT and also NFTs and all other sections. Now, for me to receive and swap between cryptocurrencies, all you have to do is click on the middle button that says swap right there. And then from here you can choose between any other cryptocurrencies. Now some of them will have different links and some of them will have different networks that they can choose from, but mainly this is the main thing. You have to go from here and then you're going to select for whatever currency you might have, so for example USDT, and then you're going to search for an alternative. Now from here, as you can see, this is only section for Ethereum, but you can select other networks such as all networks or any other one from here. So I can choose Solana, and as you can see, this is the list and the main one is Solana, the one that I own. And then from here you can select swap between the two, and then from here you can either select the percentages of 25%, 50% or maximum of all that you own. And then from here you can then simply click on connect, and you must have enough currency for you to pay the fee, because you have a swapping fee, as you can see, for the max slippage and also Solana turbo swaps. But that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.